Compliance training platforms versus external legal trainers. Which one is better for global workforce training? Most companies assume that hiring external legal trainers is the best way to keep employees compliant, but the surprising truth is that digital compliance platforms often outperform traditional training for global workforce coverage. External legal trainers deliver live sessions, workshops, and seminars. They provide expertise, tailored examples, and the ability to answer questions in real time. This works well for small teams or high-stakes topics like anti-bribery or insider trading policies. However, scaling these sessions across multiple countries, languages and time zones becomes costly and logistically challenging. For example, a multinational bank may struggle to train thousands of employees across 10 countries within a tight compliance deadline. Compliance training platforms solve these challenges. These platforms offer interactive, self-paced modules, multilingual support, tracking dashboards, and automated reporting. Employees can complete training at their convenience, while RE and legal teams monitor participation and comprehension in real time. Many platforms also update content automatically to reflect changing regulations, ensuring ongoing compliance. Companies like global consultancies and financial institutions use these systems to train thousands of employees efficiently and cost-effectively. The key difference is reach and scalability versus personalized engagement. External trainers provide human interaction and expertise, while digital platforms ensure uniform, trackable, and repeatable training across large teams. The ideal solution often combines both online modules for foundational compliance training and periodic live sessions for complex or high-risk topics. The takeaway is simple. For global workforce compliance, platforms provide faster, measurable, and scalable training, while external trainers add depth and human insight. The surprising truth is that leveraging technology doesn't remove the human touch. It ensures consistency, coverage, and regulatory alignment worldwide.